Hey guys, so I just wanted to throw this out there. I just hosted an open house at an amazing home in Janesville, 613 Wexford in Janesville. Beautiful house. But had something I wanted to kind of throw out here. So as buyers, I know, obviously I think salespeople in general, not necessarily realtors, or just realtors, I think kind of everybody's a little gun shy of salespeople, which rightfully so. There are a lot of salespeople out there that are, anyway. But there are a lot of salespeople like myself who, we're not out there to push a house onto you. Obviously, a house is a big investment. You're not going to really probably buy a house unless you like it. But as buyers, there's so much confusion. I think everybody's so afraid of talking to a realtor, and that stigma really needs to be killed. As a buyer, you have a lot working in your benefit. I mean, as a seller, you do as well. But as a buyer in Wisconsin, you have something called buyer's agency. So I touched on this in a previous video, but it's just something nobody really knows about, I think, or people are just not educated about. And it really is something helpful as a buyer. So as a buyer, if you sign a buyer's agent agreement, yes, you're working with that particular agent and not another agent. Obviously, if something goes wrong or you don't get along with that person, you could obviously ask for that contract to be canceled. Most agents aren't going to want to work with you if you don't want to work with them. So definitely something I would say that you really need to look into as a buyer before really, or right when you start looking. You don't want to go it alone. You might as well have someone like myself or any of the other agents that I know, that are educated, they're trained, they know what the heck they're doing. This is all we do, we do contracts, we do home purchasing, home selling. That's what we do, really, in your benefit. I mean, it's not something most buyers do. So really try, and if you know anybody looking for a house, we had five couples come through today, and not one of them was working with an agent, and they all were very uncomfortable talking to me, which is fine. I don't mind. I mean, I can work my way through that. That's not a big deal. But it is something that, if you know somebody that's looking, really talk to them and have them talk to an educated realtor. Somebody that knows what the heck they're doing and can help them. I mean, really, we're there. If we're a buyer's agent, we're there for you. We're working for you. We're trying to get the best deal for you. We're not working for the seller. So really something to key into, something to kind of spread that around. If you can, give this video a thumbs up, share it. The more we can get that word out there, I think the easier it is for buyers to be more comfortable talking to realtors. You really want somebody in your corner that understands all of the things that we're trained on and taught. You just if you work with a realtor who's listed a property and you don't have a realtor working for you, that realtor is really working for the seller. So they're legally bound to work for the seller. So they're not going to work for your best interest as a buyer. And if you're spending, a couple $100,000, you want somebody looking over what your investment is, not just their investment. So, all right. Well, I'm on the bumpiest part of my trip home, so we'll end that video there. All right. Have a good day.